Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide this button on mobile layout only in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor. Now you see button. So we are going to hide on mobile layout but display on desktop layout. Now on top you see switch to mobile, so click on it. So we are in mobile layout. Now select button. Now button is selected and then you see hide element, so click on it. Now you see button is hide on mobile layout but display on desktop layout, and then you see hidden on mobile, and then you see on current page button. If you want you can show it again, so it's up to you, and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to website page and refresh the page. So we are in contact page and then you see button visible on desktop layout. Now we are going to activate mobile layout. Right click on it and then you see mobile simulator, activate mobile view. So we are in mobile layout and then scroll down. Now you don't see any button. Button is hide on mobile layout and visible on desktop layout in Wix website. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.